What's going on, family? We're the Grease Monkey here, giving y'all our latest SEMA Crunch update. So let's see, a lot done changed since the last time, I came and gave y'all an update. So y'all done seen the wheels. We got the forges in. We getting tires tomorrow. So next time y'all see this, we'll be getting tires put on these. So 8-inch lip, Forgiatos, 24s. The body done got painted. So it ain't been wet sand and buffed, and then, like, this is all straight out of the gun. We ain't touched nothing up. We ain't did nothing. As soon as he sprayed it, we pulled it out. And yeah, it's on me to get some stuff knocked out. This is sitting before he can actually wet sand and buff it. It's gotta, sit, cure, do all that kind of good stuff. So yeah, the inside is cleared. Up underneath it is cleared. Everything is painted white. So yeah, we got a lot of parts that came in for this. And now once we get this on the body, it's gonna go fairly quick. It should go pretty quick because we got 80% of the parts to actually finish this build. So everything is here. Now it's kind of waiting on me to put it on the body. I got some other little things I got to do. Well, put it on the frame. I got some other items I got to add on or install on the chassis before I put the body on, just kind of like to ease of install there. But once I get this joker mounted on the frame, it should go pretty smooth. Now for my 52, we kind of behind schedule, but hey, it wouldn't be a SEMA Crunch if you didn't run a tight schedule. So along with that, we got all of this stuff here. We got a whole bunch of work going on. So we got fenders painted. Core support is painted. Tailgate is painted. We got glass already for it. We're waiting on the regulator. Regulator coming in. Another fender. We got the top. Well, this is the inside of the top. It's already been sprayed. The outside has not been sprayed yet. Inside of the hood has been sprayed. The outside of the hood has yet to be sprayed. We kind of had to wait until the inside clears first and flashes over before we can flip it and actually put a stand on this and not mess up this paint. And then let's see. So we got the chassis. Chassis been put together. I'm in the process of putting the brake lines on. We got the motor painted. The motor is installed on the chassis. Motor mounts, all that, trans mounts done. The drive shaft is about to get painted. It's gonna stay black, but we're gonna actually put a real black paint job on it instead of just this Radican from the drive shaft shop. So yeah, I'm finna get the front drive put on today, get all the accessories put on, and shoot, really that's gonna be about it. As far as the chassis, we got our rich tank coming back. We got it. It has some minor imperfections on it that they taking care of for us, and then we're gonna get that back. But yeah, that's really about all we got going on right now. Hopefully I get my frame and my setup this weekend, and then we can move from there. But yeah, all of the nuts and bolts are all tightened up. Everything's set. So my plan is this weekend to actually put the body on this chassis, and we can go from there. Headers will be in next week. So yeah, once we get this joke on the chassis, it should go pretty quick. Should go pretty quick. So as far as SEMA Crunch, this is about as crunchy as we can get. So y'all stay tuned for our next update. Please continue to like, share, and subscribe. And hey, we appreciate y'all. See you next time.